Hey YouTube, what's up? So I've been needing a toolbox, a big toolbox, bigger than the little red one I got back in there for quite a long time. And last Sunday I went to Sears to go check them out, see what the prices are, get a feel for what they got. And they had a pretty good deal. And it's the week before Black Friday, so everything's on sale. So I'm kind of hee-hawing around, trying to figure out which box I want, pulling all the drawers out, kicking all the wheels. I wanted something big enough that I could maybe, I just wanted enough room so I can expand, do the foam cutout, make everything nice and neat. So I ended up buying one, and I am excited. So let's go get it. Well, I picked up my toolbox. Now it's sitting in my driveway. I need to unbox it and try to get it in the garage. The top chest, the 52-inch. The bottom rolling cart, 52-inch, of course. So let's see what we got. Don't know if there's wheels on the bottom, if they're already installed, or if I have to put them on. I'm going to cut down the side and see. Doesn't look like there's wheels. They're probably inside it, I'm guessing. You know what a good sign is that always pops up for me? The number 1111. There they are. I guess it's only fitting. Let's see if I can lift it up. Not that you'll ever see that, but looks nice. Just let me have my keys. Jesus, finally. Well, I finally got it, and I am excited as hell to use it. I can't wait to fill it up. Look at this thing. It's huge! This isn't its final resting place. I gotta move some other stuff around in the garage, but I just wanted to get it inside. This is the 52-inch, 10 drawer on the bottom and 8 on the top, and it's got this big storage area on top, you know, for whatever. I'll probably put a laptop up there. Comes with a little outlet here with USB charging. That's kind of cool. Also has the soft close, so you can go in so far and it takes it from you. That'll be great. No more slamming drawers.